The all-new Ja3 is up for grabs for free. Yes, you heard that right. Libre. And today, tuturuan ko kayo on how to get your own pair for free.
Parang gusto ko ng bagong Ja3. Tara, kuha tayo.
I started the day super early. Dumayo pa ako all the way from Pangasinan. 4 hours trip papuntang Nike Fort because the event runs from August 1 to August 3. And I'm editing this right now as I speak. And today is August 2. So kung napanood mo to ngayon, may isa ka pang araw to make it happen. And that's tomorrow. Pagdating mo sa Nike Fort, makikita mo kagad yung court. Ang mechanics, simple lang. Pero grabe ang challenge. 1v1, race to 3. You have to win 10 times straight. No loses, no excuses. Grabe, it's super tiring, especially from Game 4 to Game 10. I was drained. Sunod-sunod, pero sulit kasi I was the first winner ng event. Unfortunately, bawal ang camera sa loob ng August 1 kasi dadating si Ja Morant mismo. Kaya bago pa kami pumasok, pinaalis na kagad yung phone namin, pinatago na kagad sa bag. Pero buti na lang. Coach Zach got some clips for me. Shoutout sa'yo, Coach. Big thanks din kay Kyle Ives, broski, who invited me. Walang Ja3 kung wala ka, bro. At syempre, salamat din sa buong Nike team. Solid kayo. So, if you want to win ng libreng Ja3, tara na bukas, August 3. Bring your A game. Show up at the Nike Fort, win 10 times straight, and get these shoes. This is a big challenge for you. And kung hindi ka man manalo, it's an experience you'll treasure forever. Post this, share this, and tag your tropa. Malay mo, sila na ang next na manalo. Kung hindi sila, malamang ikaw. Let's go! So the uncut version of this video will be out soon on my YouTube channel, JDTV.